Hello students, warm welcome to video lecture. My name is Aashish and today I will be teaching you a division of polynomials, that is called long division also. So we will learn division algorithm today. I will explain you this topic and then we will solve one or two examples of the same type so you can easily solve exercise 2.3 of your NCERT textbook class 10. Okay, so let's get started. Now, division is the process that we do like this, that if you are given that 8 divided by 5, so we write like this, so 5, 1, 5, then we will subtract it and the remainder will be 3. So note down this, that this term is said to be a dividend. Okay, then this term is said to be a remainder and this term is divisor, and here whatever you get, that is your quotient. Okay, so the formation will be like this, that dividend is equal to this 5 into 1, that means divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the formation by which you can get the answer of division. Okay, if 8 divided by 5 is given, then the algorithm can be made like this. Okay, so with the help of this easy example, we can get idea, and you need to remember division algorithm like this, that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now this was about the numbers. Numbers, how to divide it, that we know already. Okay, but now here we are going to divide some equation by some other equation. Okay, so let us assume that two different equations are given. One of the equation is say f of x, another equation is say g of x. So if I want to divide one polynomial divided by another polynomial, then after division the algorithm will look like this, that f of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here you can observe this 2 and you can get idea that this f of x is your dividend, this divisor is your g of x, quotient is q of x and remainder is r of x. Okay, I have written x axis everywhere. So this all equations will be in terms of x only. You can make another variable also, there is no issue, but in textbook generally they are given in terms of x. That is why I have noted down x. Otherwise it may can t, s or any another variable, y also. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this division algorithm. Now we will solve the questions which are division of polynomial, but for that you need to write down this and you need to remember this formation, because after division we need to write down answer in this format only, that is division algorithm. Okay, so note down this first and then we will solve the question. Here is one example of division of polynomial. We want to divide 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 2 with this polynomial x squared plus 3x plus 1. So first thing, if we divide this thing and if we get remainder as 0, then we can state that this polynomial is factor of this another polynomial. Okay, so let's get started with division. So first thing we need to do is, here 3x raised to 4 is there, here x square is there, we need to put such term over here. If I multiply this term with x square, then I will get 3x raised to 4. So here I am putting this 3x square. Okay, so here if I put 3x square, then if I multiply 3x square with x square, I will get 3x raised to 4. Now how to identify that I need to put 3x square only? So for that one easy method is also there. So you can do like this, that first term over here, that is 3x raised to 4, first term over here, that is x square, you just divide this 2. Okay, what you need to do, first term in dividend and first term in divisor, you need to divide. Okay, so if I divide this 2, then I will get x square, so 3x square. So the answer of division we will put directly over here. After that we need to do multiplication of this term with this whole equation. that is x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so the first term is already over here. 3x square into x square is 3x to 4. After that 3x square into 3x will be 9x cube. After that 3x square into 1 will be 3x square only. Now in division, after writing such equation, we need to change the signs. Okay, so plus then minus, minus then plus. So here all three terms are positive, so we will replace that positive signs with negative 1. Then we will do addition subtraction. So here this term is cancelled. 5x cube minus 9x cube will be minus 4x cube. Here minus 7x square minus 3x will be minus 10x square. And we will take one term from here, and that is 2x. Now again the similar procedure we need to follow, and that is we want one term over here. If I multiply this term with x square, then you must get minus 4x cube. So again follow the same method. First term is minus 4x cube. Here the first term is x square. So after division we will be having minus 4x. Okay. So here the next term will be minus 4x. Again follow the procedure. Minus 4x you need to multiply with whole equation. So minus 4x into x square will give you minus 4x cube. Here it will be minus 12x square and minus 4x. Again remember the changing of sign. Okay, so change the sign. All three are negative, so we will make it positive. Now add subtract. So this term cancelled. Minus 10x square plus 12x square will give you 2x square. Here 2x plus 4x will give you 6x, and take 2 from here. Now it is very easy. You can just identify by observing that 2x square is there, x square is there. So what we need to put over here? 2. Yes, correct. So we will put 2 over here. So 2 into this whole equation will give you 2x square plus 6x plus 2. So we are getting the same term. Now if I change the sign, then all terms will get cancelled and last answer will be 0. So the remainder is 0 for this question. So we can state that x square plus 3x plus 1 is one factor of this polynomial, and your answer after division is 3x square minus 4x plus 2. Okay. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder, and that is our answer. So write down this thing and do remember the procedure. We are going to solve one more question like this, but first write down this. This is the second example of the division of polynomial. Now here if we want to divide this to polynomial, then we will write like this: x raised to 5. Now if you observe this polynomial, here x raised to 5, 4x cube, x square, 3x1. So all the power of x are in descending order, but one term is missing, and that is x raised to 4. So while writing this, you need to add 0x raised to 4 for the simplification of the division process. Okay. Then minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So the term which is absent in descending order of the power of x, so we need to add that term with coefficient 0. So actually that term is 0 only, but it will be easy for you to divide. Okay. Here also we are getting the same, that x cube minus 3x plus 1 is there. So which term is absent? Term containing x square. So here we will add x cube plus 0x square minus 3x plus 1. Okay, all of you get this? Now let's get started. X cube is there, x raised to 5 is there. So which term I will multiply with x cube to get x raised to 5? Again, if you don't get this, then divide. X raised to 5 divided by x cube. So 3 and 5, so subtraction, you will get x square. So here we will put x square. Okay, now you need to multiply x square with whole equation. So x raised to 5 plus, here it will be 0x raised to 4, then minus 3x cube plus x square. Then we need to change the sign. Minus, here the sign of 0, if you change or if you will not change, it will not make any difference. Okay. Now plus, and here minus, so this will get cancelled, and here x square also will get cancelled, and there is no meaning to write down this term containing 0x raised to 4. So we will not write down this term. directly write down minus 4x cube plus 3x cube, and that is minus x cube. Then here it is 0. So you write down 0x square. If you will not write down, then also it is okay. Then you take two terms, 3xn plus 1, because here we got two terms cancelled. That is why we need to take two terms over here. Now the next procedure, x cube is there, here minus x cube is there. So by which term we need to multiply? Minus 1. Yes, correct. So if I multiply minus 1 with the whole equation, then what we will get? That minus x cube, here minus 0x square, here minus minus plus 3x, and here minus 1. Okay? So if I change the sign, then this will get cancelled. There is no meaning of writing 0, so it is cancelled already. 3x minus 3x cancelled. This 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? Now your remainder is 2, because we don't have any term to take now. Okay? So this will be your final answer. X square minus 1 will be your quotient and 2 will be your remainder. Now if I want to write down the answer in terms of division algorithm, then how will we write down the answer? That x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to this x cube minus 3x plus 1 into x square minus 1 plus remainder. So this will be your final answer in division algorithm. Okay? So I hope all of you understand this division of polynomial very well, and you need to practice for exercise 2.3 from NCERT textbook class 10. Okay? So if you do practice well, and yes, like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned, stay connected for more videos like this. Thank you so much.